My name is Gerry Muenchmeyer. I consult for the trenchless industry, and the company name is Muenchmeyer Associates, which is my own company.
How did you get started in the industry?
My first job with the New York City Sewer Department, designed sewers. The industry started to evolve where it became more just of a maintenance and extension of new sewers to where we're actually now aggressively fixing and rehabilitating our infrastructure system, not only in this country but all over the world.
What's your specialty within underground construction?
In 1982, we started a lining company up in New England. It was a licensee of in situ form. The product originally came from Europe. We put liners in for many, many years.
Tell us about unique challenges that had to be overcome.
A very large diameter pipe. It was located along the Charles River. Very environmentally sensitive project. It was leaking, it was deteriorating. The challenge was to be able to rehabilitate a 60-inch pipe for very long lengths. For instance, we did one installation, 60-inch diameter, 2,800 feet in length, which was a little over half a mile. So that was a challenge on how to get a tube in there, how to get it in successfully, get it cured, and get it to ultimately be a long-term product. We found when we followed those requirements and we had good, dedicated people that had a passion to want to do this type of work, that worked really well. That was the best formula.
What specific technology has changed and impacted the industry?
We had better television, or what we call CCTV equipment. We went from black and white to color, to high definition. We really were able to assess what we had underground.
What are the biggest challenges facing the industry?
Unfortunately, the underground infrastructure was typically ignored. An educational process to the industry to educate them on the fact that here was a better way, a more efficient, less costly method to rehabilitate old pipelines.
What about recruitment into the industry?
I try to recruit people all the time. In my own family, both my son and son-in-law were in totally different industries, and I recruited them about 30 years into this industry, and they've both been very successful in this industry.
How has Underground Construction Magazine been useful in your career?
I teach a lot of young people, and I tell them, look, you come to a trade show, don't be afraid to talk to somebody, get their business card, because it's not what you know in the industry, it's who you know in the industry and who you can contact if you need some information. And so I think UCT serves that purpose.
Is there anyone who's been inspirational and influential in your career?
I've developed some really close relationships. I have a pretty good relationship with the people at UCT. We not only spend time at the conference, but we talk to each other over the phone. We talk about the future of the industry. And I think that kind of support from such people has really helped me.
What in the industry excites you now and in the future?
We need to probably more educate the politicians more that your infrastructure system, your sewer system, and your water system really are your lifeline to our society. And when they fail, then people are going to have a real problem. It's reached, say, a tipping point where it's now exponentially deteriorating a lot faster. And so we need to do more to get ahead of the issue of fixing the system.